Small bedroom ideas to make your home look bigger. Looking for inspiration on how to decorate a small bedroom? Prepare to be overwhelmed with fantastic ideas. We've already shown you some contemporary bedroom design ideas, modern Swedish bedrooms and amazing ocean view bedrooms. Now it's time to have a look at practical solutions for small homes. For more inspiration, see our posts on cool headboard ideas and creative home organization ideas. Once you've decided on the perfect look for yours, be sure to check out our top furniture picks for small bedrooms. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Light colors enhance the feeling of space, while darker hues tend to close in, lighten up your walls and furnishings. This may seem obvious, but ditch the king size, or even queen, bed and use space-saving furniture. If storage space is an issue, underbed storage containers such as this one can free up a lot of space. Visually expand the room by using mirrors.